What's up? So y'all see I got on this mask, which means I look a mess, but this is going to be another week in my hair. It is Saturday night. Literally just got back from New York. Woke up at 4 a.m. this morning to go there for work and just came back and it's like going on 9 o'clock. So it's gonna be an extremely busy week for me. I'm gonna take you guys along with me as best I can. Had a super busy last 2 weeks, that's why I've been kind of missing, but I'm going to again do my best to like involve you guys this time around. So I had to go to New York to basically get some trimmings and notions and fabric swatches for my boss. It was really like nothing major for me to go, but we had got so many orders because we just did a fashion show last week, and so we used these particular notions or embellishments for this particular coat we sold. So I had to get like multiples of them, and it's not something you just order online, and it's difficult to try to call someone and explain what you're looking for because she couldn't even remember what store she got it from. Like, she knew where it was, but she didn't know the name of it or anything. Anyway, Wayne got that stuff for her, and I could have stayed the night, but I just got too much to do. Got a bunch of videos to film for companies, and I'm going to Wisconsin on Monday and Tuesday for some photo shoots. I'm gonna stop rambling though. As of right now, I'm just going to oil my hair with Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm going to mix that with some Camille Rose hair growth serum. So I'm going to put that all in my scalp and then put it on the ends of my hair, and then tomorrow I'm going to spend a generous amount of time actually doing my hair properly. I'm going to do the deep conditioning treatment because my hair needs it so bad, and hopefully I wanted to tell myself like at the end of the week that I would get a protective style finally, but it's just really hard at the moment with modeling. It's just something that it's easier for me to have my natural hair out, but I've been straightening my hair way too often, way more than I planned to. I only wanted to do it like once every 2 weeks, but right now it's been happening once a week. But it's okay as long as I'm doing my best taking care of it. Like, it shouldn't be too much of a big deal. But right now I'm going to oil my hair, shower, and get ready for bed. See you guys tomorrow. So what's up? Today is Sunday. I've been lazy for like all of today. A little frustrated because my phone has not been working, and I gotta go to Wisconsin super early in the morning to my agency to take some photos that we're sending off to New York. So I'm trying to figure that out. I'm trying to get a phone in a little bit, but really just been sorry, I'm doing laundry. Really just been trying to catch up on rest and figuring out this phone. And now I decided just to start cleaning, and I'm going to do my hair. I have a video that I just uploaded about how I've been heat training my hair now with a keratin treatment, so I'm not going to show you guys a step-by-step in this video, but I'll have that link so you can check it out. I am going to wash my hair with the Moerie shampoo because it's great for keratin treated hair since it is paraben free, fragrance free, cruelty free, silicone free, SLS free, and GMO free. I have it linked down below. And I'm going to use the conditioner that comes with it. I actually have the deep conditioner too. I can't find it, but I'm going to try to look one more time, and if I find it, I'm going to use the deep conditioner, or the hair mask I should say, as opposed to this one, and I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer, wash and straighten my hair like I normally do, and then just wrap it up, and tomorrow I'll just let it out the wrap. Excuse me, I'm still a little, I've been sick as well, so I'm trying to get over my little cold. Didn't have COVID though, I did get tested. Anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna get back on here later today or tomorrow, but we'll figure it out together, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Good morning. I look a mess. Completely skipped yesterday. That was a whole other mess, more than how I'm looking right now. Didn't end up going to Wisconsin. I didn't have a phone, so I couldn't get down there. Anyway, today is Wednesday. No, today is Tuesday. And it's like 5 a.m. and I'm on my way to Wisconsin for a shoot. So literally what I did with my hair yesterday was keep it like this. It was wrapped, and I put a hat on all day. So I haven't taken it out since then. So I'm going to do that now. They're going to have hair and makeup at the shoot, so really don't have to do much of anything. I'm probably just going to spruce up my edges because usually like shoots don't know to do that. My hair still's got that shines. I'll show y'all this shine. It's been a month, maybe a little over a month since I got keratin, and my hair is still really, really shiny. Okay, let me go for real. My first ever fitness shoot. For my hair, all they did was put it in a ponytail, and then they put out these pieces. So I'm just gonna, they sprayed a bunch of hairspray on it. So let's see how it looks when I get home. Hopefully it's not too like oiled down. Sorry, I'm still a mess. I just got home. It's 7 o'clock. I changed into my sweater when I was changing back into my clothes there because it was so cold and I had me bring clothes with me, so I just put on my sweater. Anyway, I got some Chipotle because I had a free entree. Shout out to Chipotle app rewards thing. And then yeah, I'm gonna eat and go to sleep, but I do want to wrap my hair, so I'm gonna show you guys kind of the way I've been wrapping my hair lately. I really like this way. All that I do, brush this out first. My hair looks really good still, other than like the dip from the ponytail, but I mean that'll straighten out with the wrap, but it doesn't feel like super oily how I thought it would feel. So I just take my sad little paddle brush here and I wrap my hair like 3/4 of the way, as much as I can pretty much, and I put in a little clamp. Then get the rest of my hair, wrap it, hold it with the clamp. What I do is wrap my scarf around, make sure I get all the hair in there, and then I get my, I don't even know what this is called. It's not a do-rag, but I guess I'm for braids, but this is how it's shaped. I'll have a link below if I can find it. And then I just put this right on top of my head like so, and then since it's already kind of pre-tied to my exact head measurements, I just like leave it be. And then I slip under, take out the clips, and my hair stays nice and wrapped underneath. So that way you don't have any of the indents. Like the clamp should be fine, but if you have bobby pins, like you definitely don't have to worry about the imprints from there. Anyway, I'm gonna take a shower and I will see you guys in the morning. Alright, good morning. Today is Wednesday. I am going to unwrap my hair. I slept so wild last night, so I don't know how this is about to come out, but we will see. Here's my scarf. Okay, it looks pretty good. We got the dents out from the ponytail. Still got our shine there. Trying to decide if I want to wear it down or if I want to wear like a half up, half down situation. I just don't feel like being bothered with my edgies. As of now, I think I'm just gonna wear it down, do my makeup, and then figure it out after I do my makeup. Good morning. Today is Thursday. Last night I just wrapped my hair up, and today I slept so wild last night, so I have put this scarf on top of my black scarf this morning because my hair was all out. Now I didn't want to get in the shower and get it all frizzed. But I did wrap my hair the same way I wrapped it the other night, except just I slept really wild and just pretty much came off. I feel like today my hair is a little bit more oily or kind of flatter than I like, and I'm also wearing wool, so I want to wear my hair up. I also have this really disgusting pimple, and I just feel like, I don't know, today I just don't feel my best, so I kind of want to have some hair hide my face. So I am going to put the little two pieces in the front, and I want to wear my hair up for a change. Found my round brush at least, so that'll somewhat help. We're gonna do a bun. I'm gonna use Bobby's to secure it. It's the first time I've done a bun and it's like good the first time around. Edge control, Cantu extra hold edge stay gel. Okay, I'm gonna spray some dry shampoo on my little tails. Oh, and this is the Not Your Mother. Sorry, I forget to mention a lot of products because I use it in like every video, so I always just assume that everybody watches the last video, and I have to take into account that there's always new people watching. But everything will be linked down below. I got some eggs I'm boiling, so I'm just gonna check on those and I'll be right back. I'm gonna use my towel to get a lot of this residue off. Spraying my Afro G Keratin Green Tea Reconstructorizer. put my Babyliss Nano titanium flat iron on 300, which is the first setting. And last but not least, I'm going to spray my Royal Treatment White Truffle and Pearl Rapid Shine Spray by Chi. And I'm just going to spray this at the top. I'm not going to spray it all down my little tails because it's going to defeat the purpose of us putting the dry shampoo in there. But this just gives my hair a nice smell, and it really adds nice shine too. I don't know, I'm just like obsessed with shiny hair for some reason. I think shiny hair to me looks healthy and, I don't know, like wealthy, and just like you take care of yourself. All right, we're done. I will see you guys this evening. Morning, so it's a new day. I actually have a photo shoot today. I get my pockets out like a bozo. So I just washed my hair and I'm just letting it towel dry for a little bit. I am about to eat my eggs. I mentioned this in my last video, one of my last videos, that I'm going to start eating a lot more eggs lately because it helps with hair growth, since eggs are protein and your hair is protein. Then I got some toast broiling in the oven. I'm going to show you guys my curls in another video, but I will kind of just take you guys along with me for today. So I just did my hair. I feel like I did it pretty quickly. I don't know, I'm not loving the results, but yeah, I'm gonna run out of here. I'm kind of running a little late. Got my garbage, so I'm about to take it out. But I have to wear like a tube top, so I have it underneath this sweater with these 2 leather pockets. But yeah, I'm going to run out of here and I'll try to get some footage while I'm there. So I just finished my shoot. I know I'm looking crazy like I always do after my shoots, but it was actually really, really nice. The photographer is amazing. It's actually like a really well-known, like she's a really well-known photographer in Chicago, and her studio is shared with another like really well-known photographer in Chicago, and she shoots a lot for Adidas and a lot of other sportswear brands. But we just did beauty because she's trying to venture more into beauty. But the photos that she showed me on her camera were like really, really nice. So I can't wait for the to see the photo. She said like probably around Thanksgiving. So I'm booking a lot of work lately, which is crazy because it's COVID, and it's something that I'm really trying to figure out how to do full time. Anyway, trying to decide what to eat. I have lobster ravioli from Trader Joe's that I'm really eager to try, but I'm also craving Chipotle like I do after every shoot. So I think I'm gonna end up getting Chipotle. I think Chipotle sounds good. I do need to pay my rent. Let me go make a deposit so I can pay my rent, and then I really can't even afford the Chipotle after that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Also, I just took this out of my head because they put a ponytail in my head. And I've never seen a ponytail holder like this before. Because when I was trying to like take it out just now, I'm just like, what? Why is it not coming out? And then I realized it's like this. So when I get home, I'm gonna figure out how this actually works and what is it about this. Is this like a real ponytail holder, or I don't know. Let me know if you guys seen this before. But anyway, I'll be playing with this all day. So I will see you guys when I get home. Okay, so I got some Chipotle and I got a chicken bowl and chips and queso. And I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna watch The Family Chantel. Initially I was gonna watch anime, but I want a good laugh right now. So I'm gonna watch that silly show. And then, yeah, I just got out the shower. I'm gonna do some editing as well once I finish eating, and I wrap my hair and just wrapped it up in the scarf. But I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and until the next one, ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.